Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a tall box with vegetables on it. Okay, I wanted to use the On the Farm paper, which is free during celebration, and I had mocked up this project for my team at our team event last month, and I ended up using the vegetable paper because I didn't really know what else to do with it. And much as I actually really quite like this project and I like the look of it, and I've put a little barn, I guess, on it and double-sided it to make a little tag. I'm not going to use it again on this project. I'm going to do trees and cows and flying ducks, because why not? If you're going to go slightly surreal with vegetables on a box, let's do flying ducks. Okay, so that was real red with the free paper. And this one is going to be Daffodil Delight in the free paper. So the free paper comes with an order over £45 or €60. And if you buy the bundle of stamp set and matching dies, you can get the paper for free. So I'm going to show you how to make this fabulous project. I've lost my... Why do I lose my scoring tool every time I come to start a video? It's not like I put it in a different place. Okay, need a piece of cardstock that is 10 by 8¼ inches. Now, if you work in 8.5 and 11, and I'm not going to get into a debate about American sizing, you have a different size cardstock to us. Yours is 8.5 inches. Let me take it on the shot. Yours is wider than the entire rest of the world. So yours is 8.5. Keep it at 8.5 and just trim it down to 10. If you work in metric, not going there either. 21 by 25 centimetres. Okay, we're starting on the short side. So that will be your 8¼ inch size if you are using international A4, or if you are in the United States of America who uses unique size cardstock, yours is going to be 8.5. Got it? Good. 2, 4, 6 and 8 is where you're going to score if you work in metric. 5, 10, 15 and 20. Super simple. And then on the long side, score it at 2 inches and 2 inches and 8 inches even, which is 5 and 20 centimetres. It's very simple. Daffodil Delight. Did I say that bit? I don't know. I don't know if I said it already. I'm saying it now. Daffodil Delight. Not a colour I've used in quite some time. At least I don't think so. Although I don't seem to have very much cardstock left. Maybe I just haven't used it because I've thought, oh, I don't want to run out of cardstock, and then haven't used it. I don't know. This could have worked well with this because the yellow of the sweet corn. That could have worked. So what have we got on here as the random selection of vegetables? So we've got tomatoes, pepper, sweet corn, carrots. I'm guessing that's garlic. Peas, cucumber, radish, broccoli, herbs. That's a curious collection of herbs, of vegetables. Different. I do like vine tomatoes though, I have to confess. Vine tomatoes are my favourite. Sugar drop particularly. But yeah, I don't know. So, right, my little box. I've got my little skinny bit here. Take that away. We're going to take it away both ends, and I'm just going to cut straight on the rectangle. Not on the rectangle at all, straight on the lines. Okay, and then I'm going to do exactly the same up here as well, because that's how the box is going to close up. Oh, I forgot to put a bit of cardstock. Got a bit of paper. I need to trim another bit for the top. And take that one away. Okay, so I've got panels here of designer series paper. So these are my trees with cows and flowers, and I've got 4 of those. They measure 5 3/4 inches by 1 3/4, which is 14.5 by 4.5 centimetres. And I forgot I need one for the top as well, because I've got one on the top there. So that's going to be 1 3/4 by 1 3/4, which will be 4.5 by 4.5 centimetres. I'm going to cut that cow in half. I don't want to do that. Let's keep the cow alive. Okay, it's probably not going to be seen anyway, but that's okay. Right, so I'm going to put these panels on first. I did cut them in such a way that the tree, there we go. Is that the right, what's that one? No, that one comes on here. There we go. So I could make it go round. Okay. So let me line them up first, or get them all on individually. Finished size of the box, because I probably didn't say that out loud. 2 by 2 by 6 inches tall, which is 5 by 5 by 15 centimetres tall. And the last one, so obviously you can see you need 4 of them. The paper is a lot of fun. There's scrapbook, great big pages. There are smaller ones, smaller patterns. Just fabulous. And the vegetables. I think the vegetables are a lot of fun. If you've made something with the vegetable paper, show me. Let me see what you did with it. Yeah, I'd love to know. Right, so I'll put my tear and tape on there. And it's a little bit, for those of us who are in International A4, it's going to be a little skinny bit. If you work in the American 8.5 by 11, you're going to have a bit more to play with. So fold in 2 sides and the back, which is where that seam is. And then get some more tear and tape. And bring it round. And then you put your goodies and treats in. That's going to be the front. So I want to get my final little square on there. Oh, I've wibbled it. Let's try that again, Samantha. There we go. So 2 sides in and the back, and then that's my top. Now, I don't have a yellow ribbon. Do I have a green in a garden green? I do. That, I think, is a carryover. But I don't know if that's going to work. Shall we do it? Yeah. I think it's okay. I don't want to do white ribbon, and I don't think I've got time to colour a ribbon with blends and then let it dry, so we're going to go with this one. So simply over the top to make a bow on the top, and that's just keeping the box shut. And you know, everybody loves a ribbon. There we go. Totally long, totally different lengths of tail, but there we go. Right. Let's have some flying ducks because they're yellow. So in the die set, all of these are represented, but we've also got some solid ones, which I'll show you. So I've got 3 ducks, so I can do 3 at the same time. I've got a little bunny down here, a goose, a cow, a pig. Oh, I've got 2 cows. Do they go in different directions? No, 2 cows in the same direction. I've got a couple of pigs. So you can do 2 or 3 at a time, as well as the outline. But you know what? I want 3 yellow ducks because I can. So I'm going to have 3 yellow ducks. And without breaking my nails. There's my other yellow duck. There he is. And what stamping shall I do? I don't know. I'm going to come to that in a minute because I just want to do ducks. Just want to die cut some ducks. Because I can. Oh, that was loud. Right, so mini cut and emboss. You can get one of these free if you join my team. You can. Right, plate 1, plate 2, or clear plate. This is the little bit of leftover daffodil delight. And my 3 little ducks. They're so cute. They're tiny. I'm going to lose one in a minute, aren't I? So yeah, you can join my team. £170 to join. No, it's not at all. It's £125 to join. You can choose £170 worth of product and get your free mini cut and emboss, and you can get a white one or one in the brand new boho blue. Or you can pay £99 to join. If you've already got a mini cut and emboss and you don't need another one, £99 to join. Oh, look at those. And choose £170 worth of product. So, and that's any £170. Obviously not Celebration stuff because you get that free. So once you've joined, you can shop like me at a discount. Right. So I want to do a kind of hanging tag idea, like a bit like I did there, but I think having any kind of animal hanging down, not such a good thing. So I'm going to go thinking happy thoughts of you with 3 flying ducks for no reason other than it's going to make me smile. So let me line that up. Thinking happy thoughts of you, and I think I will stamp this in black because, you know, I've got black cows there. Oh, that's going to come out a little bit. Let's try that again. Too cute. And I'm just going to hack with some scissors. And one of my, here it is. So I've got, this is the new Trio Punch whose name has fallen out of my head, but we've got a little ribbon hole there, which that was really descriptive, particularly as I don't remember the name of the Trio Punch. But I've got that, and there's my little ducks. They're too cute. Shall I have them going in different directions? Yeah, why not? Where's my mini glue dots? I'm going to make these like embellishments. A trio of ducks. Just, yeah. It's making me smile though. I'm going to have a little duck up there. When I was a little girl, oh that's not, there we go, we just have it peeping off. When I was a little girl we lived in an old converted farmhouse and we had lots of land. And we had ducks, we had chickens, we had a couple of tortoises, we had all sorts of vegetables and doves in a dove cot. But yeah, my brothers and I had ducks. Mine was called Jemima, for those of you who know your references, Jemima Puddle Duck. We had Donald and Daffy, obviously, the ducks. But we also had Cheap, and you would have to know your Mr. Men references. Where's my twine? Mr. Men and the Little Miss, and then we had the animals, and Cheap was a duck. Right, I've got my linen thread. That was my oldest brother's, his was called Cheap. Spelt C-H-E-E-P. These Mr. Men animals, so not the original Mr. Men characters, but the sort of add-on, follow-on animals came much later, and yeah, there were some curiosities in there. yeah, Jemima, Daffy, Donald, and Cheap. Who remembers them Mr. Men books? So we call Fauna Little Miss Feisty Pants. That isn't one of the Mr. Men or the Little Miss characters, but she is, and it should be. Right, there's my little hanging ducks. They're just too cute. And what I'm going to do is because this one did have words on the back, so I've left that sort of hanging, but this one doesn't. So I'm going to put a dimensional on the back and just sort of pop it off to a jaunty angle. Just like that. I like the ducks. I could do that with piggies as well. Because there's little piggies too. Bunnies for Easter. What else have we got? We've got the goose. Yeah. I like it very much. It's made me smile. Why will it not focus? My camera. There we go. 3 little ducks. Too cute. Jemima, Daffy, Donald. I just need to make Cheap now. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.